Slide 1. Introduction to AI. What is AI? How does it work? Real-life examples like Siri and Google Maps. Slide 2. What can you do with AI? Explore various applications, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. Slide 3. AI for business. How AI can help businesses save time, money, and improve customer satisfaction through automation and optimization. Slide 4. AI in finance. AI-driven financial services like fraud detection and personalized investment recommendations. Slide 5. AI for healthcare. AI helps healthcare professionals diagnose diseases, manage patient records, and improve treatment outcomes. Slide 6. AI in retail. Personalized marketing, inventory management, and supply chain optimization in retail. Slide 7. How to get started with AI. Understanding the basics of machine learning, deep learning, and programming languages like Python. Slide 8. Tools for AI development. Introduction to popular tools such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Slide 9. Real-life projects. Examples of successful AI projects that can be implemented in various industries. Slide 10. Success stories. Case studies of companies and individuals who have successfully leveraged AI to achieve significant business results.